goodbye to messy plumbing jobs with the RYOBI USB Lithium 3-foot drain auger, the compact powerhouse that clears clogs in seconds. With its 3-foot reinforced cable and forward-reverse function, this tool effortlessly powers through sinks, tubs, and bathroom drains. The lightweight, cordless design means no more tangled cords or struggling with bulky machines. Powered by RYOBI's USB lithium battery, it's always ready to go and quick to recharge. The ergonomic grip makes handling smooth and comfortable, even in tight spaces. It's perfect for homeowners who want professional-level results without calling a plumber. Simple, efficient, and powerful, this auger is a must-have for keeping drains flowing freely. Cleaning up after hedge trimming just got easier with the RYOBI Hedge debris collector, the clever attachment that saves you time and effort. Designed to fit seamlessly on most RYOBI hedge trimmers, it catches clippings as you cut, keeping your yard neat. No more raking or bending down to collect leaves. Everything falls neatly into one place. It's lightweight, durable, and snaps on and off quickly for hassle-free use. The wide design ensures maximum coverage, so you trim and collect at the same time. Perfect for anyone who values efficiency and a clean finish after yard work. With this collector, hedge trimming feels faster, cleaner, and much more enjoyable. Slice with surgical precision using the OLFA 18mm wood composite utility knife, crafted for power and control with a tough wood composite handle and an auto-lock mechanism that snaps your blade securely in place. This knife doesn't just cut, it glides through cardboard, plastic, drywall, and more. The 18mm blade is ultra-sharp and replaceable, and the handle feels premium in hand. Whether you're a pro or weekend warrior, this tool is a game-changer. The tactile grip keeps your hands safe and fatigue-free. Designed for heavy-duty use, it's a serious upgrade over plastic cutters. Say goodbye to blade wobbles. OLFA delivers confidence with every slice. Lay tiles like a boss with the WORKPRO 20-volt tile vibration machine, designed to eliminate air pockets and ensure perfect adhesion. This beast delivers strong vibrations that settle tiles smoothly and evenly, reducing the chances of future cracks or shifting. Powered by a 20-volt lithium battery, it's cordless, portable, and ready for action at any site. The ergonomic design with an anti-slip handle keeps your grip secure, even after hours of tiling. It's an absolute must-have for tile pros and DIYers alike. Boost your workflow speed without sacrificing quality. It's smart, it's powerful, and it's WORKPRO. Renovating old windows just got faster with the Eibenstock EFS 200, built for removing old coatings, adhesives, and sealants from window frames without damaging the material underneath. Its flat grinding disc hugs the surface and adapts to contours for ultra-precise work. The integrated dust extraction keeps your workspace clean and breathable. German engineering ensures low vibration and long-term reliability, perfect for restorers, contractors, and detail-focused pros. Whether wood or metal, this tool handles it all. One tool, endless window-saving possibilities. Say goodbye to back strain with the LiftRite 90E Mobile Lift Trolley, a powered hydraulic platform that lifts heavy loads up to 150 kilograms with ease. It's a lifesaver in warehouses, workshops, or anywhere heavy lifting slows you down. The electric lift mechanism runs smoothly, raising or lowering goods at the push of a button. With strong casters and locking wheels, stability meets mobility in one smart platform. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver through tight spaces. Whether you're stacking, shifting, or storing, this trolley boosts your productivity. Illuminate your workspace like never before with the Tajima SF351D LED work light, engineered for serious brightness and unmatched durability. With 350 lumens of output and a foldable design, it adapts to your needs on-site or in the garage. The head pivots for perfect angle placement, while the strong magnet and hook keep it right where you need it. It's built to handle drops, dust, and long hours without dimming. Rechargeable and compact, it's a tech-forward upgrade to your lighting gear. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Tackle garden waste with power and silence using the Einhell Redaxo 36-25 cordless knife shredder. It slices through branches and leaves like butter, turning yard mess into mulch in minutes. Powered by dual 18-volt batteries, it offers freedom from cords and loud motors. The steel blades ensure consistent cutting, while the large hopper keeps you moving fast. With overload protection and easy transport wheels, it's built for safety and mobility. Cleanup becomes efficient, eco-friendly, and fun. Perfect for homeowners who value performance without noise. Yard work just leveled up. Meet the Stabila LAX 500G, your ultimate green laser leveling companion for ultra-precise layouts. Whether you're doing interior installations or detailed framing, this laser levels in seconds with razor-sharp green lines. It offers vertical, horizontal, and plumb lines for total flexibility. The magnetic base, tripod mount, and pendulum lock make it rock-solid and reliable. Its IP54 rated housing resists dust and splash damage like a champ. Rechargeable battery keeps it powered all day. For pros who need accuracy that never wavers, Stabila is the name to trust. Carve, shape, and grind like never before with ATA's next-generation 6 carbide burr, a true beast of metal removal. Precision milled with multi-flute geometry, it eats through hard materials with ease. Ideal for aerospace, automotive, and custom fabrication, it delivers minimal chatter and maximum control. This burr lasts longer than standard bits and handles, aggressive cuts without clogging. It's lightweight, balanced, and versatile across many tools. When speed meets precision, this burr leads the way, a serious cutter for serious craftsmen. The Fantic X8 Apex is more than a tire inflator. It's your portable pit crew on the go. Compact but powerful, it inflates car, bike, and sports tires in a flash with digital precision. The smart screen lets you set and monitor PSI with auto shutoff to prevent overfilling. A built-in LED light and USB charging make it a roadside hero anytime, anywhere. Its brushless motor means quieter, cooler, and longer performance. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the X8 keeps you rolling with confidence. Find perfect angles in seconds with the WORKPRO Digital Angle Finder, a must-have tool for carpenters, fabricators, and tilers. Its large backlit display offers easy reading in any light, while strong magnets keep it locked on metal surfaces. It measures from 0 to 360 degrees with stunning accuracy. Flip display mode, hold functions, and zero reset simplify your tasks even more. Whether you're cutting trim, setting a slope, or working steel, this gadget eliminates the guesswork. Durable and compact, it's ready for rough job site conditions. Go beyond the surface with the LaserLiner Video Inspector 3DM, a flexible inspection camera that sees what you can't. The high-res display and 360-degree rotating camera head reveal pipes, ducts, and wall cavities in crisp detail. Equipped with LEDs for dark spots and a durable gooseneck cable, it navigates tight, tricky spaces with ease. You can record and snapshot inspections for later review or client reporting. Built rugged for pros in HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, it's like giving your toolbox an endoscope. Turn up the heat with the Lexivon LX 7-to-1 butane soldering iron, your all-in-one heat tool for precision, soldering, cutting, and shrinking. Fueled by refillable butane, it heats up lightning fast and goes cordless for ultimate freedom. The kit includes multiple tips for versatility on electronics, automotive wiring, and heat wrap jobs. A built-in ignition system and adjustable flame give you control like never before. Compact and stored in a rugged case, it's perfect for field work. From DIY fixes to pro repairs, this kit gets it done. Dominate job site cleanup with the Milwaukee ZO9-20 M18 Fuel 9-gallon vacuum, designed for relentless suction and rugged durability. With dual battery ports, it powers through debris, water, and dust without slowing down. The HEPA filter traps fine particles, and the tank design handles big messes effortlessly. Cordless freedom means no tangled wires, just smooth cleanup anywhere. Its robust wheels and onboard storage add real convenience. Built for trade pros who need serious cleanup muscle, it's not just a vacuum, it's a beast. Dominate precision fastening with the USAG 609 SKX set, where Italian engineering meets rugged versatility. This premium kit features a full range of sockets and bits, each crafted with the innovative X-Grip profile for unbeatable torque and grip. Whether you're tackling stubborn bolts or delicate electronics, these tools deliver flawless engagement without rounding. Housed in a sleek, organized case, it's ready for workshops, field service, or your car trunk. The chrome-plated finish resists corrosion, while the ratchet is buttery smooth and battle-ready. Perfect for pros, mechanics, or anyone who refuses to compromise. One kit, endless possibilities. This is socket power refined. Unleash raw cutting power with the Woken Angle Grinder, built to slice through metal, tile, and stone like a champ. Its high-speed motor delivers relentless RPMs for smooth, fast action on every job. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort, while the adjustable guard gives you control and safety. Whether you're shaping rebar or trimming pavers, This grinder stays cool and steady. Compact yet aggressive, it handles tough tasks without weighing you down. Great balance and reduced vibration mean less fatigue and more precision. It's an essential for metalworkers and masons. Cut clean, cut fast, cut woken. Meet the blade that laughs at concrete. D-Star's 1A1R diamond cutting blade is a powerhouse in precision slicing. Designed for ultra-hard materials, it features a thin kerf and reinforced core that reduces chipping and vibration. Whether you're cutting granite, tile, or high-strength concrete, this blade delivers glass-smooth edges. It keeps cool under pressure and doesn't wear out fast, saving you time and money. Compatible with angle grinders and tile saws alike, it's a contractor's favorite, ideal for high-end finishes where every millimeter counts. When you need flawless cuts, D-Star delivers the shine. Revolutionize your masonry with SmartOp Polymeric Mortar, a next-gen solution for superior bonding and waterproofing. This advanced blend combines strength, flexibility, and long-term durability like never before. It applies easily and dries fast, making installations quicker and neater. Perfect for structural joints, repairs, and surface leveling, it resists cracks and chemical exposure. Use it for both vertical and horizontal applications across brick, stone, and concrete. It adheres like a charm even in challenging conditions. With SmartOp, you're not just building, you're upgrading the game. Crank up power with the Stychill MS500i, the world's first chainsaw with electronic fuel injection. This beast starts instantly and revs fast, tearing through logs with pro-grade ferocity. Its lightweight body and perfect balance make it surprisingly agile for a 79cc powerhouse. Whether you're felling trees or slicing firewood, it delivers unmatched cutting speed. The anti-vibration system and ergonomic grip reduce fatigue even on long jobs. Built for forestry professionals and serious cutters. It's not just a chainsaw, it's a cutting revolution from STIHL. Protect your warehouse and racking systems with the Rack Mammoth, engineered by AMPERE to absorb serious impact. Its heavy-duty build shields vertical supports from forklifts and pallet jacks like a tank. Installation is simple. Wrap it and bolt it. No welding required. Made from high-resistance polymers, it won't rust or break down over time. It's certified for high-traffic industrial zones and logistics centers. You get durability, safety, and peace of mind in one bold yellow guard. Save racks, save money, stay compliant. Take control of every bolt with the Lexi-Von Bike Torque Wrench. Designed for precision, power, and perfect tightening. This tool offers a dual-direction click mechanism with micro-adjustable torque settings. Whether you're fine-tuning a derailleur or assembling a frame, it eliminates guesswork. The steel body is rust-resistant and finely calibrated for peak accuracy. The handle is knurled for grip, even with gloves. It comes with a full bit set and storage case, making it road-ready. For cyclists and mechanics who demand performance, this is the gold standard. Meet the most versatile rope you'll ever use. Rapid Rope is compact, tangle-free, and ready for anything. It packs over 100 feet of high-tensile rope in a palm-sized canister. Built for survivalists, adventurers, and handymen, it cuts clean with the integrated blade lid. It's UV-resistant, water-repellent, and strong enough to tow or tie down gear. Ideal for emergencies, camping, farming, and home use. No more fumbling with knots or messy coils. Just pull, cut, and secure. Its strength and convenience in one rugged container. Say goodbye to messy oil changes with the Graz ODP-15 drain pan, crafted from high-density polyethylene for rugged use. Its wide-mouth design captures oil cleanly from any angle without spills. Built-in handles and a pouring spout make disposal neat and easy. It resists chemicals and high heat, so it's perfect for garages, shops, and field service. With a 15-liter capacity, it holds enough for large engines and long service jobs. Lightweight yet unbreakable, it stores flat and stacks clean. Drain smart, work clean. Go Grows. Lifting drums just got safer and smarter with the Beam Nova chain drum lifter, a heavy-duty tool for industrial handling. Its clamp design locks onto steel drums firmly, ensuring stable lifting and rotation. Built from hardened steel with a zinc finish, it's tough enough for warehouses, plants, and transport yards. The integrated chain system allows smooth lifting with hoists or cranes. It reduces manual strain and boosts productivity on heavy drum tasks. Designed for longevity and efficiency. If drums are part of your daily grind, this tool is a must. Reach new heights with the Metaltech Buildman Drywall stilts. Engineered for pros who demand safety and control. Built with industrial-grade aluminum, they're surprisingly lightweight, yet ultra-durable for long workdays. The adjustable height gives you flexibility across drywall, painting, or ceiling tasks. Dual spring action ensures natural walking motion, while the wide footrests and calf braces provide superior balance. Every step feels secure thanks to heavy-duty straps and anti-slip soles. These stilts reduce fatigue and boost productivity with every lift. Designed for tradespeople, built to perform. When the ceiling's your workspace, these are your secret weapon. Slice through turf seams like a pro with the GRS Grass Splitter, a revolutionary tool for artificial grass installations. This clever device cleanly separates fibers without cutting the backing, ensuring invisible seams and flawless finishes. It glides along cuts effortlessly, saving time and preventing messy overlaps. Whether you're laying a backyard lawn or stadium turf, precision is everything. And GRS delivers. Built tough for repeat use, it handles dense fibers with ease. No power required, just smooth action with every pull. A game changer for landscapers and turf pros. For perfect seams, it's GRS or nothing. Pump up the job site with the Flex 24-volt stack pack radio, where brutal durability meets concert-quality sound. This rugged beast blasts clear audio with punchy bass and dual-zone speakers that dominate noisy environments. Sync your device via Bluetooth or plug in with multiple port options. Powered by Flex's 24-volt battery system, it doubles as a charger to keep your tools juiced up. Rain, dust, or drops, no problem. It's IP65 rated and job site tough. The stackable design fits into Flex's modular system seamlessly. Work hard, vibe harder. This isn't just a radio, it's your workday soundtrack. Meet the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty 3/8 Threaded Rod Nutrunner, the ultimate solution for fast, precise fastening on threaded rods. Built tough for heavy-duty impact drivers, it saves you tons of time when working with long rods. Its innovative design protects threads from damage, ensuring smooth installation every time. The durable steel construction means it can handle extreme torque and high-demand jobs. Compatible with a wide range of drivers, it brings professional-grade performance to electricians, plumbers, and contractors. Its hex shank makes switching between tools quick and seamless on the job site. If speed, precision, and reliability matter, this tool delivers on every level. Diagnoses circuits with precision using the Icon Professional Digital Display Tester, a smart upgrade for pros who demand clarity and speed. With a bright digital readout and interchangeable shanks, this tester adapts instantly to any job. From fuses to relays, it handles 3 to 48-volt DC with pinpoint accuracy. The ergonomic handle and core design keep you comfortable during extended use. Built tough with rugged housing, it survives the harshest garages and shop floors. Whether you're troubleshooting trailers, batteries, or control panels, it gives you instant answers. No guesswork, no downtime. Just icon-grade performance every time. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.